Hey guys, this is me Stopley here, and today we are going to make another video about trains, Thomas and Friends and trains. So before we start it up, we have enough space to put our phones down, but if it's just shuts the motors or anything. So to part of the description of this video, don't ever just try to do this on your deck. So hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy. We're just gonna make the train go backwards to the tour that we started, so we're gonna do that. So see ya. So we're gonna do this train is making go backwards, so let's try that. We are going to take a look to close up the trains. So we got this choo-choo train, we have to call it choo-choo train. And this is the blue train, which is the toy sides. We already got a new one, the other just earlier video. We have 238 choo-choo train, but we bought that like from 2 years ago. Back in from October 2018, we brought this train. And here are all the rest of the trains for Christmas 2017 trains. That's where we start YouTube, and that's where we start YouTube on. We start YouTube on probably like July 2018. That's where we start the video makes. So here are all the different kinds of trains. We have the blue one. Sorry, can't find any flowers. So the rest of them are at home. But if you're missing the rest of them, we will try to make the next video soon. Oh yeah, I guess you tell. Back in Nathan's very old videos, back in 2014, there was this bike right there. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos we put, okay? And also, we have to use some card boxes to make the camera stand up. These two Mavorec cards, we just got them from Morrisville Walmart. But if you don't know that Walmart, it's Morrisville, North Carolina Walmart. So you have to search that. You have to search North Carolina Walmart, and you try to find the right one. Make sure by departments you know it, so you will probably know it. But if you found departments, I agree with you. So, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Stay tuned for more videos tomorrow, or other things related to cut-up parts.